Architecture today operates under tighter constraints. Carbon accountability, modeling precision, and documentation clarity now sit at the heart of daily production. Revit 2027 for architecture focuses on connected carbon intelligence, higher modeling control, and practical sample content that speeds onboarding. Let's start with the features supporting your sustainability goals. Autodesk Insight is now Forma Carbon Insights, bringing carbon analysis directly into Revit so teams can evaluate more sustainable design decisions earlier and with greater clarity. Forma Carbon Insights allows you to generate consistent summaries, embodied and operational breakdowns, benchmarks, and dashboards aligned with Forma workflows. The expanded Embodied Carbon Scope Tech Preview now includes structural elements, improving the completeness and accuracy of your embodied carbon analysis. Share sustainability analysis results through the new Collaborative Insights workflow. This creates a shared cloud environment connected to cloud work-shared Revit models and Forma building design models. Teams can run analysis, expand carbon results, and access the same dashboards, metrics, and benchmarks for more consistent and informed decision-making. Revit materials now report carbon parameters directly within the material browser. A new Carbon Asset tab centralizes embodied carbon data at the material level. Assign database sources, categories, and embodied coefficients directly, making each material choice measurable and traceable. On the modeling side, accuracy, control, and predictability drive new improvements to walls, stairs, and design options. You can now create and host a wall on another wall, much like doors and windows. Hosted walls move and rotate with their host, can be reassigned to other hosts, and support view filters and scheduling. Additionally, new wall controls are more intentional at the point of placement. When creating a wall by room or by room segment, you can flip the orientation before placement and define the room bounding parameter up front. Enhancements in stairs introduce type properties for tread and riser numbers to standardize formatting. Visibility above and below the cut line can be controlled through visibility graphics. Tag All Not Tagged now supports stair paths and numbers, reducing manual annotation. Apply these settings consistently across views using view templates. Sections, elevations, and callouts associated with a design option are now selectable and grayed out just as the elements that belong to that option. The Active Only and Exclude options toggle value persists through your Revit session. This allows you to have more predictable control of views while modeling design options. Beyond feature improvements, onboarding and training accelerate in this release. The Pacific Continental Residence Sample delivers a complete 4-bedroom residential model in the design development stage. 3 design iterations demonstrate structured design options. New documentation views, schedules, and sheet groups arrive pre-configured. Revit 2027 strengthens carbon accountability, increases modeling control, and improves documentation consistency. Production teams gain measurable data, tighter option isolation, and more reliable modeling behavior. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the Help Release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.